So what do we mean by same-day teeth? Well, see, many patients come to our clinic with missing or failing teeth, and they've been struggling for many years, struggling to eat, struggling to speak, struggling to smile with confidence. But the thing that stops them from actually pursuing treatment is the thought of having to be without their teeth in the process of replacing them. And that's where same-day teeth really comes in and helps our patients. Because using our same-day teeth approach, we can remove your remaining failing teeth, we can place dental implants into your jaw, we can clean up any bone or gum deficiencies that you have, and we can even give you fixed permanent teeth from the very beginning. That means on that very same day, our patients will leave our clinic with a beautiful smile that they have been responsible designing with the dentist, so they know exactly what they're going to look like by the end of it all as well. It means they'll get an immediate smile, they can eat, they can speak, and they can smile with confidence from day one.